My name is Francisco Alcalá. I'm with Farpointe Data. I'm the West Coast Sales Manager. A little bit about Farpointe. We're a manufacturer of readers and credentials for access control. All of our products available through the system manufacturers, and that's typically how we go to market. What I want to talk to you about today is our receiver and transmitter solution. So it's a very robust solution. It operates at 433 megahertz. What that does is you're not required to install the receiver in line of sight. That'll mean that the communication will read through walls, vehicles, people, etc. It's omnidirectional, and this unit gives you 100 feet, this unit gives you 200 feet, and this offers an adjustable read range. Compared to the 900 megahertz solutions, we offer the best value, and the reason why is because it's better priced, more competitively priced, and on top of that, it's more reliable. With 900 megahertz, you have to worry about being in line of sight, interference, while with this, you're going to get a consistent performance. In addition to that, it's very secure. It has a rolling code and it's encrypted. So every time you're pressing a button, the code is changing, and you don't have to worry about the code getting sniffed. It typically wires like a proximity reader, so it's a weekend input. You don't have to worry about, integrating it or doing some sort of integration that is not usual. Let me see. Can we go over here? So it typically wires like a weekend reader. So what you can do is this unit controls 4 different applications. That's why you can use a 4-button transmitter. For example, at Farpointe Data, we have this installed our server room. Button 1 gives us access to the site employee entrance. Button 2 does the front lobby. Button 3 does the shipping gate, and button 4 does the server room where this is installed next to the access control system. So our receptionist can use this to bus in the mailman, the delivery guy, or if somebody forgets their fob, and you get an audit trail, unlike some of the other receiver and transmitter applications. If you have an alarm system that takes a weekend input, you can use that to arm and disarm the alarm system. And as we like to say, it's commonly used for parking applications, but it's ideal for any application where pressing a button is more convenient than presenting a card. In addition to that, if you have an application where somebody has to drive them to a gate or a parking structure, they could press this from the convenience of their vehicle without having to roll down their window, and then they could use the built-in proxy insert to get into the building. So that way it doesn't matter whether you push the button or you present it, you get the same weekend input and you don't have to enroll somebody more than twice.